Are you torn between dividend stocks and growth stocks? Today we'll explore the pros and cons of both. This will empower you to make informed investment decisions. Let's start with dividend stocks. These are companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders. Typically, this happens quarterly. Think of established companies such as utility providers or consumer goods giants. They might not see explosive price increases. However, they offer steady income, which you can reinvest or use for retirement. Now let's discuss the pros and cons of dividend stocks. The advantage? They provide stability and consistent income. This can help safeguard your portfolio during market downturns. On the flip side, they often grow at a slower pace. This means less potential for high long-term gains when compared to growth stocks. Now let's shift to growth stocks. These are typically companies expected to grow faster than the overall market. You might think of innovative tech firms or ambitious startups. Growth stocks generally do not pay dividends. Instead, they reinvest earnings back into their business to fuel expansion. What are the pros and cons of growth stocks? The primary advantage is the potential for high capital gains. If you select the right growth stock, your returns may greatly exceed those from dividend stocks. However, the downside is increased volatility. Prices can fluctuate rapidly, and there's no guaranteed income stream. So, which type of stock should you choose? This really depends on your investment goals. If you prioritize steady income and a lower risk profile, dividend stocks might be your best bet. However, if you are younger, with a longer investment horizon and a tolerance for volatility, then growth stocks could work better for you. For many investors, a balanced approach combining both strategies offers the best of both worlds: current income and future growth. In conclusion, it's not about which type of stock is superior. It's about which aligns with your financial objectives and risk tolerance. Build a strategy that suits your life rather than just chasing market trends. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Are you team dividend, team growth, or a blend of both?